Inside that workshop is a Lotus machine that has been running non-stop for 10 years, and over that 10 years has made an extraordinary number of caps. So we're here to speak to the creator to talk about his journey with the Lotus Laser. Why don't we come and take a look inside? So here is KAPZ HQ, and you can tell that this person's into his bikes because of the number of bikes that are on the ceiling. But around here is what we're interested in because that's where the magic happens. So let's come around and see what the process is like that takes a blank piece of metal and turns it into your very own custom design that is laser engraved right here. I am here with the creator, the genius of KAPZ, who, I just want to talk to you about your process. So I know that you take online orders, they're all customized. People submit their own designs.
So we can have a customer on the phone with us, talking to us about their design. We can be designing it here and then making it a minute later while they're on the phone. And I've done that before. And then in the post, so within 10 minutes, depending on what time they actually call us, it goes from design idea to product to postage, and it's gone. And we've done that before. Everything we make is made in Great Britain, which I'm really proud of. We don't buy anything from overseas. And then we process it, we anodize it, change the color of it. We do all the engraving and everything here. And any modifications that need to be made, they're all done here at KAPZ HQ. Customers actually sometimes send us a classic bicycle product that they now want engraved. I mean, it's 30, 40 years old and they want the name of the bicycle engraved on it. And we can do that here.
So how long have you had this machine for?
10 years, pretty much.
10 years?
Yeah.
Still working the same?
Absolutely, perfect.
The materials that you mark are predominantly titanium and aluminium?
So aluminium is the most popular. So with aluminium, you use quite a rough setting. So it's quite aggressive because you want to go into the metal. You want some depth in the metal to make the mark, if you like. Yeah? So it's not on the surface. Everything we do is in the metal. Last year I made a solid white gold ring for my wife, and I did the design and we engraved it on this machine. You only get one go. Could have been an expensive mistake. And it was perfect.
So that was a gift?
Yeah, for my wife.
Particular occasion or just?
Not really, just because she's an inspiration.
We've got 7 bikes hanging from the ceiling. It's pretty obvious that you are an avid cyclist.
Yeah, have been since I can remember. Probably 2006, I was on a ride, I looked down at my bicycle and I just thought, why doesn't anybody make a custom headset cap? And I thought I'd make one. So I made one, I engraved one. And then in 2012, probably no accident that we were hosting the Olympics and British cycling was really at the peak of where it had been.
2006, you make one essentially for yourself.
2012 we launched KAPZ. 13 years later we have delivered about 45,000 orders. We've done over 51,000 unique designs, and we've probably made around 75,000 caps.
So there are 75,000 bikes riding around the UK and probably the world right now.
Yeah. So 60% of our orders now go overseas.
There are 75,000 cyclists who are going off on a weekend ride and they look down and they are seeing something that was made on this machine.
Absolutely. Incredible. The machine is phenomenal. You know, what we get from this, from the C4 is the consistency of quality product. I mean, some of the logos that you can read on our products are less than 1 millimetre high, and you know, they're so precise.
Listen, it has been such a pleasure. Thank you so much. Thank you for letting us come and see what 10 years of using one of these machines looks like, and for your extraordinary success. Thank you.
That's okay.
It's been a real pleasure.